So I've been pulling the diff apart in my S13 for the 2J conversion. I found that the bearings were completely totaled and been trying to get them out. I haven't had much success with hammers and drifts and even sledgehammers, so I went and bought this Fugen huge hydraulic press. $500 from Nubco. Fairly expensive, but seemed a lot better than having to freeze bearings and heat everything up to get it to go in. I'm going to put some wheels on it so I can move it around in here. These are just trolley wheels I salvaged some time ago. Hopefully they're a bit of an asset. Would have been extremely handy to have when I was doing the subframe bushes. Anyway, it's here now. There we have it, hydraulic press on wheels. It's a 30-ton press, should be more than enough to do what I want to do, but I need to make some various pieces to go up in here so I can actually make it useful. I'll cover that as I make